channel yet, but welcome to my channel. Why do I want to continue building my channel? Because I cut my hair, as you can see, and I want to share my hair journey with you guys. Talking about my hair journey, I cut my hair the 20th of December. That was 2 days before my birthday. And apparently I surprised many of y'all. I have no idea why some people got upset, but it's okay. You gotta get used to my haircut. I cut my hair for several reasons. Well, not really several reasons, just mainly one reason. I wanted to go natural. And most of y'all know I had permed hair. I permed my hair since I was 12, 13, I don't even know. But I permed my hair a while now. I had no problem with my permed hair. It grew fine. It was pretty long, as you will see in the picture right there in the corner. You see, you liked it? Right. It was pretty long and nice. It was well taken care of. As the last time I permed my hair, the middle of it, my head started thinning. I don't know if that was a problem, but it was not bad. But I saw everyone going natural. It's not that I want to go with the flow. It's just that natural is style right now. And apparently, products for natural hair is out there. So one can say that, yeah, you can take care of your natural hair. It's pretty normal. So I decided to do a new me for my new year, my birthday, which was last week. And that was my birthday gift to me to go natural. So I hope you like it. And yes, I want to share my journey with you. So comment below what types of videos to make. Comment if you like my haircut. Let me show it right now. You see that? Slick! But thank you and see you soon. Bye! What's up everyone, it's your girl Tremaine here and this is Christopher. Now I'm just testing to see if it's standby. Hold on. I'm gonna get blurred soon. It depends. Alright, is whatever. Okay.